former National Youth Commission Chairman Gio Tingson calls out the current head, Ronald Cardema. Under Cardema, the NYC issued a resolution calling former presidential aide Bong Go the national big brother of the youth. Tingson says the office has, quote, turned into a billboard for an administration candidate. On its website, the NYC says it is the policy-making coordinating body of all youth-related institutions, programs, projects, and activities of the government. Tingson adds the current NYC leadership should focus on helping impoverished Filipino youth get education and jobs, and the duty is to serve young Filipinos, not politicians.